Go back to the bird. It's been like 20 minutes. There's that gross one. There's that other one. Still don't like him? Easily startle her and watch her de-stress on me. Get him. See how she comes back towards me. Get him. You done, Blue? See how she looks for me? See what I'm gonna do? Good job. Get you. What is that? What'd you find? Oh my god. Oh my god. You want the stick? You gonna get the bird? Oops, sorry, rocks. Now you're gonna take it with you. You gonna cook it? You ready? Good job. Did you touch it? I'm gonna touch the butt. It's gonna touch you. Haha. Blue, wait. Bury it. There's the head. There's the wing. Oh, it almost got you. Ah, you're gonna die. Oh my god, watch out. It's stiff. Oh my god. Oh my god. Roxy. Roxy. This thing is stiff. Oh my god. Look. It's alive. Oh, broken my stick. Are you done with our antics, Blue? Alright. He's gotta go poo. It's gonna get you. Oh no, watch out. Oh no. Watch out, it's gonna get you. Ah! That's a duck. What's left of it. Watch out, it's gonna get you. Ah! Ah! Time out. You ready, Blue? Watch out. Ah! Woof. Woof. It's gonna get you. It's gonna get you. Come on. All right, let's go. Come on, Rox. It's gonna get you. You're gonna die. Come on. Roxy, let's go find another one. Come on, let's go find another one. I think Blue's gotta go poo. Hey, Rox. Blue, thank you. Thanks, Dad. I'm gonna suffer through that crap. Thanks, Rox. Hold on, Rox. Hold on, Blue. Bless you. You gotta go poo soon. I didn't know you can do firewood out here. Alright, one more, and then we'll go back. Somebody's building a home. Did you get a stick? It's a dainty little stick, Missy. Oh my God, what is it? What's in there? An old pillar from the ocean with barnacles. Kinda cool. Wonder what was in there at one point. Can you get it? Blue, are you being an old man? You don't want to play? All right. Ow! Time out. Ow. All right, let's go back. Come on, Rocks. Blue, let's go back. Those kids are trying to play. Hi, Blue, I see you. Okay. We're done. Come on, Blue, let's go back. I'm all done. Kind of. Not really.